Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are diving into how to use ActiveCampaign CRM to track your deals effectively in 2026. To get started, you will first want to log in to your ActiveCampaign account on your PC, and from the main dashboard, go ahead and locate the Deals tab on the left-hand side menu and click on it to open up your sales pipeline. Once you are in the Deals section, you will see your default pipeline, where you can begin by clicking the Add Deal button in the top right corner, which will open a form where you can enter the deal name, the contact or company associated with it, the estimated value, and the current stage such as in negotiation or won. After you fill in those details, simply click Save, and your new deal will now appear in the appropriate column of your pipeline. To move a deal forward, you can simply drag and drop it from one stage column to the next as you make progress, which automatically updates the status and keeps your forecast accurate. You can also click on any deal to open a detailed view where you can log notes, schedule follow-up tasks, or add products to track the deal value more precisely. ActiveCampaign will then generate visual reports, so you can see your total pipeline value and win rate at a glance, helping you stay on top of every opportunity. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.